folks, cooking with Kelbob here in my ordinary kitchen with produce from the garden. Yep, today we picked up some raspberries and we're getting ready to get Cooking with Kelbob gift packs all set for the holiday season. We're gonna make raspberry jam. Folks, this stuff is delicious. Last year, if you remember, we did blueberry jam and we did strawberry jam. This year, we're gonna try our hand at raspberries, but of course, along with me is my ordinary grill dog, Sherman. Good catch, buddy. Good catch. And of course, everybody should have a grill dog because when you drop food on the floor, you don't have to bend over and pick it up. So to start with, now I'm going to quadruple my recipe, right? So I'm going to do this times 4. We are going to take 4 cups of red ripe raspberries. Red ripe raspberries. Grill wife's in there listening. All right, now Sherman. These raspberries were just about ready for the dumpster, which is perfect for what we need. And I already pre-measured each one of these little Driscoll's containers is 2 cups. So I'm just going to start dumping them in my pan right here. And there's 4 cups right there. 2 of these. Careful, there's some paper in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat on and get these dudes simmering because we're going to just crush them up. We want to keep kind of the consistency of the raspberries so we've got more of a preserve. So I'm just going to put my heat on I'm just going to put it on just kind of a low right there and just get something going because after I get those dudes going, we're going to just mush it up and make a liquid. Really, in just lemon juice, pectin, and a whole bunch of sugar. I've already washed these, so even though it looks like I haven't, I did. And I washed my hands. We always wash our hands when we cook. In fact, I'll wash them again. I'm just going to go ahead and get this started with a little mushy, the old wooden spoon. And now it's time to stir in some lemon juice. My recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, but if you remember, I'm going a quadruple back. 8. 2 times quadruple equals 8. Folks, we've been having a blast traveling the country. My lemon juice is in, and I'm going to crank this thing up high. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm going to try a little bit of that. The Shore Gel, 1 3/4 ounces, which is most jam recipes will call for 1 3/4 ounces, and it's a fine art to get the pectin set up. It's a combination of sugar and heat, and then the natural pectin of the fruit itself that you're using. So I'm going to do 4 of these. So as I mentioned earlier, every year at this time we start to put together our canning for the Cooking with Kelbob holiday gift packs. All you have to do is spend about $155,000 with us and you're eligible for one of these. Just kidding. So you can see it's coming to a boil now, and it's time to add my favorite vegetable, sugar. Now, moms, you might want to turn your back at this part because this gets pretty intense. 6.5 cups of sugar per batch per 4 cups of raspberries. So therefore, 4 times 6.5 is 24 plus 2, we are going to add 26 cups of sugar. Did you hear that, grill wife? Go ahead and turn that heat off. Take our jam mixture off the stove. And we got a lot of jam. We're going to do a lot of jam. I hope this sets up. And now it's just a process of spooning the jam. And if it doesn't set up, you get raspberry ice cream syrup. So the last batch is coming out. Sherman, you ready to try some of this? Oh, what do you think? These are the family holdbacks here. We stuck some of the last of the raspberries in these. Get these dudes out, let them cool, let it set up for about 24 hours. We made 30 half pints. 30 half pints of raspberry jam. How cool is that? Plus a couple family holdbacks. Turn off the water bath. I toasted a couple English muffins. Oh my gosh, folks, if you can smell this. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell my home right now, Sherman. No. Wait. You want to try some? Huh? You want to try some? Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so good. Folks, I'm telling you what, if you got about 6 extra pounds of sugar and want to catch some raspberries on sale, oh my gosh, look at that. Look how that's set up. Sherman, that is so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so good. For Grill Dog Sherman, Kelbob, out. Want some? Use your manners.